Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed. I'm an AI automation and web developer. I'm going to show you today how to make free AI generation videos or content or whatever. So the point here is to make the free AI videos. Okay, so let's start first. So for sure you need Claude Code because we will all work on it. So this is a PDF that shows how to make the videos. You can paste it into Claude Code and he can do it. So first and for all, let's go for Google or YouTube or whatever. So for me, I chose this channel to, to take the content from here. So basically, we're not gonna use AI to generate the images. We'll use other people content and adapt it to our type of content or our type of videos or niche. So for example, this is a psychology niche. Okay, so we will use that niche to adapt it to our content or what we want to say to the people. Okay, so first I will just copy this link and then I will open my Claude Code. Okay, and then paste it here. What Claude Code will do is he will extract the frames and then he will put the frames accordingly to what we want to say. Okay, so actually this will use that, so we'll change it and then we will choose. So for example, this one here is 13 minutes, 16 minutes, it really doesn't matter. Okay, so for okay, let's take this one here. Okay, so just paste it here. So we'll just copy this code, this link, and then we'll paste it here. We will say, because I have this instructions already in my Claude Code, so I'll just tell him to repurpose this content for my use. Okay, so I'll just tell him, please extract the frames and remove the text and put my text on it and my content on it. So the way he will do is he will generate the script first from an agent I already created, which is like you will see here now. So let me just type it. Extract the frames and adapt this video to my content. Okay. So now what he will do, he will download this video and then he will extract the frames. He will remove any text there and he will put my text. Clear? So basically, this is the whole thing. It's very simple. But what we will face, you will face mistakes from Claude Code. You will face mistakes. So you will just rework on it. And the best thing here is once you've done it, you really worked on it, it's done. It's forever yours. It's your engine now. So basically that's it. So let me show you a previous example for this. So this is an example for a video. Okay.
That are seeking immersive experiences, contradicting traditional notions of.
So as you this is the behind it's really good. So these images actually like it was a text on it here. So these images it was a text here actually and some text here. So he removed the complete thing here and put my text on it. As you can see the results. So yeah, let me just close this. So this is an end result what you will get after a lot of work. Okay. So what you saw here, he was like just downloading the video and he will work on it. So let's see what he says here. Needs to update the library, cookies, whatever. So basically guys, it's very easy here. You just need Claude Code. You will just text him in a plain text and he will work like, yeah, in a good way. Regarding this this PDF, I will share it in the link of the YouTube video and you can just take it and download it with you and yeah, so or you just drop a comment and I will deliver it to you via the comment because it will post my video. So yeah, please go on ahead and do that. So I will just wait here for him until it finish, and yeah, I will show you how he will turns out. One note regarding the voice, regarding the text, all of that you will need a separate agents for it. I already have it. I will just make another YouTube video for how to make the script writer, how to make like the voice. And by the way, it's all for free. I don't use any ElevenLabs and any other things. So yeah, once it's finished, we'll come back and I will show you the results. Don't expect any real good results. It's a results, okay? You will have to rework on it, like put the instructions so you can build your pipeline in a good way. So here he said, yeah, extract. So I will just let Cloud Code work here and you will see it. So guys, again, I will say it. Even if you're an agency, I don't care, okay? I know you have a lot of money, I don't care. You can work on it. You don't steal it, it's in the LLM model. He owns it, okay? And people subscribe to reproduce these kind of images and videos. You can use it. It's for free there. Who will sue you? So just use whatever resources you have. Hello guys and welcome. So this is the video is done. So no worries here, I will show you what happens. So anyway, he was giving me advices because he's Cloud Code and he was putting the plan that he would use these kind of things. And then, yes, he made the video. So this is the video. Just take a look at it.
Psychology, some brains are wired to see beyond the surface, to find the patterns and systems that drive performance.
So, do you see these kind of things? These things, you will just delete it, okay? So, for example, from second 14, you will just cut this video and put a black screen, and then you will put the text, raw text images. So, either you're like, if you're an agency, for sure you know how to do that. If you're like a content creator, for sure you know how to do that. Just to go to CapCut or let Cloud Code do it for you. So, you don't need to take the full video, you just adapt it to your use, okay?
They aren't disengaged fans. They're processing complex data in real time, searching for an edge others miss. That same mind isn't suited.
So basically, guys, this is how you make a free AI videos. If you like the content, please subscribe and like. And yeah, this will help the channel a lot. Thank you. See you the next one.